Hi everyone, welcome back to Adventure 365, the channel that is going places, and we're at the Adventure Overland show. We're going to have a walk around the showground, show you what's here, have a talk to a few people, and just have a good time basically. And as you can see, Beryl's made it. She's got here all in one piece. So after all the work we put in last week, it was worth the effort. There were so many things broken with her, but she's here and she's made it. So everyone loves her. We've done nothing but talk to people all morning. This is the first free bit of time I've had, and I'm talking to you guys now. So if you spoke to me at the show, hello. And right, like I said, we're going around the showground. And also, Wilf's made it, and he hasn't broke down. So you've seen him on the channel before, and it was touch and go last week whether he was actually going to make it to the show. But we're all here, and we're at the 4B stand if you're here. Come on, I want the full pose. There you go. I was just saying to everyone, Wilf made it.
Yeah. Didn't break down.
It didn't break down.
Rare occasion. Brilliant. Yeah. Well, it's had a lot of interest actually today. It's been good. We've had a lot of guys come up, and I mean, mostly they're coming to your car, and I'm just intercepting.
that's fair enough. I'm not here, and I'm not fit for it, so yeah. I shan't tell you what happened last night, guys.
Yeah.
What happens at the 4B stand stays at the 4B stand.
It's locked down, secret. No one there.
No.
Yeah, it was a good night. But yeah, so, you know, considering it's changed from where we usually hang about, yeah, it's we've had quite a bit of interest, and it's been good, yeah.
And you managed to do that with a straight face. Yeah, and again, you don't know what happened behind the camera. And you'll never know. Really, you'll never know. Yeah. But it's a good show up to yet. We've had a bit of a walk around. We keep getting stopped by people, so that's why I'm having Dan do my job for me, and he's telling them all about Wilf.
Yeah.
And like I was saying, what happens in the 4B camps stays in the 4B camps.
Look, you get jealous, all right?
And that's how it goes here.
Rock and roll.
There's Mark. He swapped stands. He's gone next door.
I think they're going to stop them at some stage. They must do, because obviously they went past
Yeah.
how long, you know.
Yeah, definitely. It's always going to be one part of the party, isn't it?
Absolutely, yeah.
It'd be funny if it's not that at all. If it was just an empty
It's quite weird at the show today, because every stand that you go on, the people look the same. They've been cloning the
Got doppelgangers.
they've been cloning the traders. This is Andy's stall from Hadley Services, and there's the flip-up number plate. And there's an upgrade for the number plate now as well. It's in my pocket. I'll show you. It's a couple of nylon washers to go into that spot there, guys, just to stop the stainless galling and this tightening up, so it runs nice and smoothly. So there you go, an upgrade kit for that. So if you're buying one of those number plates, you get the nylon washers with it now. There is a lot of stuff here. The show actually feels a lot bigger than it has for years. Look at this Ibex. Not just an ordinary Ibex, a 6-wheel drive one. This thing is enormous. Now, is it 6-wheel drive? No, it's a 4x6, this is, guys. It's look at the chassis on it. That is like an Arctic. Wow. I could rock this, I tell you. I need one of these in my life. And Karen's admiring an Airstream Land Rover. Wow, I've seen this being built, and it's an immense piece of work. It's really nicely made.
Yeah, nicely finished as well.
Fair bit of polishing. Actually, that's lovely.
Yeah, I wouldn't like to take it down the green lane.
Karen says she wouldn't like to take it down a green lane when it's all tree striped. Nice bit of kit. Well, we've just made it down to the middle of the showground, and look at the size of these trucks, guys. They are absolutely immense. Fantastic. Definitely out of our price range. But where do you take them? We keep asking this question. The people who own these trucks, if anyone watches the channel and knows where the people take these, please let me know. Because they're just huge. I mean, hang on. That is massive. You aren't getting them down the lanes in Wales, I tell you. And I know they're global explorers, but still.
It's difficult to climb up there with a straight.
Karen says she wouldn't even want to climb up into it, so. But they are huge. You aren't going to pop into Tesco with one, are you? We've just come down to the back of the showground, have a walk around all the campers. You know, we always like a bit of inspiration of what other people are doing. And now we're just heading back into the showground, and there's some monstrous trucks. And like I was saying earlier about those big trucks, some people have got some fantastic setups. But there's so many big Overlanders here. They are huge. It's surprising how many Pinsgowers there are here. I think this is the most I've ever seen at this show. And a lot of six-wheel drive ones. Another one here. These are fantastic. Awesome. Always had a craving for a Pinsgower. Could never afford one. Now if you want a Unimog, guys, there's one for 250 grand. I think I filmed this one earlier, but it's still huge. It still goes all the way up there. That's a good, it's got to be a good 14-foot high, that is. Yeah, bit big. Good morning, everyone. It's a bit of a weird one for us. It's actually Monday morning, the day after the show, and people are still packing away. There's loads of people still here. I've never stayed to a show till Monday. That's a bit strange. But it's been a fantastic show. The atmosphere has been great. We've met so many people, spoke to so many people. We've had loads of interest in Beryl as well. But it's been an absolutely fantastic weekend. And we're a bit reluctant to leave, I think. That's what it is. That's why we're still here. But on saying that, we have got to pack up, and I'm going to wrap this video up here, guys, for you. And yeah, make sure that you give us that thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. Make sure you're subscribed. Click on that notification bell, and I'll see you all on the next one.